Hello everyone. So my name is Soumya. I'm your psychic reader. So hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be checking out the message for the day. So right now I'm at my home's balcony. Okay, so currently there is lots of peace around right now. So we'll be checking out energy update, whether it's in love or general or what message I'll be receiving. So I'll be checking out that. Okay, so it's a pretty sunny day in Dehradun right now. So let's start with our reading. So this is a collective reading basically. So let's see what you need to hear. Okay, so remember this is a general reading and you have to take only messages what resonate with you. So spirit, please guide me what my viewers need to hear right now. What my viewers need to hear right now. So here is the first energy, which is of Knight of Swords. What my viewers need to hear right now. Spirit, please guide me relevantly. Your second message is Knight of Cups. Again, beautiful energy. You guys are attracting very amazing energy right now. So what are my viewers attracting right now? What my viewers need to know right now? Okay, there is Nine of Pentacles. Beautiful. Okay, I'll take this energy. King of Pentacles. Another message, viewers. Spirit, please give me one more message for my viewers. So Spirit, please give me one more message for my viewers. So we have here Two of Wands. And our last message is with again Knight. So, and your shadow energy is Four of Wands. I do feel for many of you, you are attracting your growth right now. Okay, this growth can be regarding your own self, your own grooming. I see you guys are grooming right now in a very better way. You are coloring your hair, you are wearing lots of golden color, you are buying gold. Okay, so yes, there is lots of like you are attracting lots of growth right now. The opportunity is coming towards you right now itself. Okay, universe is sending you all the opportunities itself towards you, and I do feel many of you are waiting for a job or some opportunity to receive, and definitely I do feel you will be getting that opportunity by itself. Okay, so yes, if you are looking for a marriage, definitely you can get married very soon if you are around 30s or 28, 25, 26. Okay, depend on your luck also. Okay, because whenever we keep an expectation, we are already losing those things, we are already losing that person. Okay, so basically I do feel you have to stop expecting, stop waiting. Okay, you have those opportunities, you have those options, you just have to choose what you really want. Okay, also I'm getting, if you are in a relationship or marriage, okay, there is a person. Okay, I won't go with zodiacs doesn't matter. Okay, but I'll still say, if you are believer of too much of astrology or anything, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so these are the signs, could be your person or your sun, moon, rising. Okay, and I do feel you guys are looking for opportunity. Okay, the opportunity is also coming towards you itself, and the person you are with, okay, you are married to or you are committed to. Okay, you could be also in a separation with this person. I feel with the Knight energy, this person is coming towards you themselves. They want to come towards you, they want to conquer you. They want to offer you love. Okay, their emotions are basically running high right now. Okay, their emotions are basically totally getting high, and they want to express their feeling towards you. They want to apology towards you. They may not say sorry towards you, but they feel that they have hurt you a lot. Okay, the more you have given them, the more they have hurt you. Okay, also I'm getting with the Knight, this person can come in very intense way. Okay, see, all the Knights are there, so your spirit guides are saying with the seahorse, this person was basically in too much of mind games, too much of practically thinking, and they were going like logically thinking. They were listening to others basically rather than listening to you. So this relationship or marriage, definitely lots of consequences came. Sorry, I don't know why I'm mumbling. So definitely there is lots of like consequences came in your relationship, in your marriage, or even if you are a separate. So definitely there were consequences coming up, because too much of third party interference for some people were there. Like now, third party can be anything, can be in-laws or your parents or anyone, or a third party can be a girl or a boy who's interfering your life, or money. Okay, or anything. Okay, now third party is third party, whether if your person believe it or not, or you believe it or not. Third party can be anyone or anything. It can be your own people. Okay, so they were doing blind trust. They still have that blind faith in them. Okay, so they already rejected to you now, and now this person is coming towards you. If you are in a separation, I'm getting this energy. And if you are already committed but you have already distanced yourself from them, I do feel like this person is taking intense action. Their intensity of fire is getting too much high. Okay, now let's clarify some energies over here. Okay, and let's see if my message popped up in accurate way, because I do feel my spirit guides are saying me that this person is coming towards you by themselves. They want to offer you love. They still love you. They are in love with you. And if you are single, you can grow in your career in a better way right now. Okay, single divorcee watching this video, I do feel you are attracting lots of opportunity right now. You have to start loving yourself more, because I do feel the more you are holding on your finances or your person or anything, that thing can go. Okay, and now when you do so much of shopping or anything, especially a girl watching this video or a woman watching this video, you have to let go of that cash. Okay, so that another cash can come towards you. Until you don't let go of that cash and keep that cash in your body, in your chakras, you are holding on your body, in your mind. So how will that cash will come towards you? How you will attract that Lakshmi? And another thing, people who are disrespecting their own woman, you are disrespecting that goddess in your own house and in your own life. You are not attracting Lakshmi goddess. You are only destroying your own karma by yourself. So you have to give equal give and take. You don't only have to think selfishly when it comes to your love life or anything in finances. Okay, there should be equal give and take. Let go so that it can let come towards you. Okay, so let's clarify Knight of Wands. Spirit, please guide me why there is Knight of Wands, why there is so much of night energies. Okay, see, why there is Knight of Wands, Three of Wands, Ace of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and Page of Four of Pentacles. Why there is Knight of Cups? Yeah, I do feel this person is somewhere, they are showing you their ego to come towards you. But also I feel for some people this person is losing their own strength currently, and whatever you both have gone through, whatever you are going through right now, even in a single way or in a general way, there is an opportunity coming towards you, towards you itself. You will be getting clarity very very soon. The truth will be revealed. The possibility is coming towards you itself. Okay, you will be getting very big clarity. You are your own queen, and this person also sees you as wifey material. You can be even married to this person. You are the housewife of this. You are the housewife and soulmate or true love of this person. Even this person knows that you are the only one who can be with them and keep them in a better way. Okay, and no matter how many fight you both guys have, but you both guys are made for each other. You are also business minded, they are also business minded, and you are grounded personality, but somewhere the stubbornness is coming in you both. And I feel you could adopt a pet right now, cat or dog. I'm also sensing lots of horse energy right now in your reading. So yes, this person is losing strength. They want to get you, and they still love you. They want to hold you tightly, and you are the one right now who is focusing on your own self. Okay, and you are just nurturing your own self. As I said, many of you are doing your makeover in hair especially. Okay, I do feel right now many of you are wearing green color, sea green color, okay, black color, blue color, red. Okay, if not, you will be wearing these colors very very soon. Okay, and I do feel you are attracting your stability right now. Okay, stability in finances, stability in love or marriage. The stability is coming up. Okay, now this person is also realizing your worth, and you know yourself very well, who you are, what you are. You can't let yourself down for anyone, lower your standards, who can't understand you or who can't trust you. Okay, so I also do feel many of you are attracting victory in your own self, with yourself, or in love. Okay, so hope my reading makes sense to you all. So until see you next time with my next reading update. So take care and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.